There's a bell in there. Climb it, Nick.
Climb it, okay.
Climb it while I sing. No.
Told you.
Yeah. I'm not gonna be able to.
Oh.
Nick's quite the little monkey.
I think you gotta go on the other side.
Yeah, but it's easier to jump from that side.
Oh! You just got that on video?
Tom, are you alright? Should we make sure he's okay? We're a long way from a hospital.